Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Lanfee trailer jack block. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have the block. So this is made of HDPE, that's high density polyethylene, and the capacity on this is 16,000 pounds. So this block is for putting under your tongue jack. So it has a couple of different options here. You can see it's round, so you can have a plate. This middle section has some angles here, so if you have a wheel, that can sit in there. And then it has holes here for drainage to keep water away from your pad or wheel. One of the problems you'll see with trailer tongue jacks is that pad sitting against the ground will collect moisture and trap moisture and start to rust. So this can help prevent that. So this could be used for cargo trailers, boat trailers, RVs, pretty much any of these trailers that have a tongue jack if it's within the weight limits of this. So if we look on the bottom here, you can see this is very thick. This is the thickness here. Now there's a little lip here. I'm guessing it's the same thickness, but it's super sturdy. And you can see the recess here matches up with this. So you can stack these if you have more than one. Now it does say on the Amazon description, if you stack these, it will cut the weight limit in half. So instead of 16,000 pounds, it would be 8,000 pounds. Of course, another nice thing about this is that when you put this down, you won't have to lower your jack as far. So let me get some measurements on this. So the circular area here is a little over 9 inches. So it looks like it could fit a 9-inch pad. Then the top here is about 7 3/8 by maybe 10 5/8. The edges are rounded, so these are approximate measurements. Let's get this depth here. This is about 1 3/8. This square in the middle is right around 2.5. I don't know if a 2.5-inch square would fit in there or not. It might. Height on this is about 3 3/4 inches. And the bottom footprint of this is about 8 7/8 by 11 1/4. And this has some heft to it. It feels nice and sturdy. So I just wanted to take a look at this on my bench. Let's head out to my camper now and place this under the tongue jack. Okay, so I'm out here at my camper. So I need to raise up the tongue jack. So I have some jack stands out here. Typically we do this when you're unloading it and you have it connected to your tow vehicle. So I'm going to lift it up enough to put the foot underneath and then I'll raise it back up. I want the pavement clean before I put this down, so I'll just blow this off. So now I have the pad centered on the foot. I'll raise it back up. Now I can pull those jack stands out of there and we're good to go. So you can see here there's plenty of room for water to get around this. So this should keep this foot from rusting. And as I said before, this will also save time because this jack's not especially fast. So this is a couple more inches, we don't have to actually lower it. So that's the Lanfee tongue jack block. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.